You know what? We basically have two countries that have been fighting so long and so hard that they don't know what they're doing.
Hindi ikinatuwa ni US President Donald Trump ang agarang paglabag ng Iran at Israel sa ceasefire ilang oras pagkatapos niya itong i-anunsyo. Sa kanyang post, inutusan ni Trump ang Israel na itigil ang anumang opensiba laban sa Iran at pabalik ng Israel ang kanilang mga piloto.
But I'm not happy that Israel's going out now. There was one rocket that I guess was fired overboard. It was after the time limit and it missed its target. And now Israel's going out. These guys got to calm down.
Dagdag pa ni Trump, parehong lumabag ang dalawang bansa sa tigil putukan matapos paratangan ng Israel at Iran ang isa't isa ng pag-atake sa kabila ng ceasefire. Gayunman, sinabi rin ni Trump na titiyakin niyang hindi na ito mauulit at mababalik ang kapayapaan sa pagitan ng dalawang bansa. Sa ngayon ay wala nang naitatalang pag-atake sa pagitan ng Israel at Iran. Nagdeklara na rin ng full activity status ang IDF Homefront Command kung saan muli nang binubuksan ang mga paaralan, lugar na pinagtatrabahuhan, gayon din pinapayagan na ang mga pagtitipon. Samantala, mariin namang pinabulaanan ni Trump ang kumalat na ulat na hindi umano tuluyang nawasak ng US strikes ang mga nuclear facility ng Iran. Ayon sa isang intelligence report, intact pa rin ang centrifuges ng Iran at hindi nasira ang mga underground facilities sa Fordo, Natanz at Isfahan.
I think it's been completely demolished. I think the reason we're here is because those pilots, those B-2 pilots did an unbelievable job. Those pilots hit their targets, those targets were obliterated, and the pilots should be given credit.
Giit ni Trump, fake news ang kumakalat na balita na tuloy pa rin at naantala lang ang nuclear program ng Iran. Anya, layon lang ng ganitong balita na siraan ang pinakamatagumpay na military strike sa kasaysayan.
And you know, the fake news, like CNN in particular, they're trying to say, well, I agree that it was destroyed, but maybe not that destroyed. You know what they're doing? They're really hurting great pilots that put their lives in the line.
Carmela Marinda, UNTV News and Rescue, USA. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.